Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country on the application of Slack. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.